Thinking about changing up your hair color or getting bangs? Before going through with making a big change to your hairstyle, why not test out what they'd look like? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to try new hairstyles and hair colors using fun filters on TikTok. Now let's get started. If you're thinking about going blonde, open TikTok and search for the blonde hair filter. Find a video using that filter. Then tap blonde hair to get to the effect page. Now tap try this effect. This filter makes your hair appear blonde. Tap the middle of your screen to change the shade of blonde. On me, this one isn't super realistic, and if your hair is dark, some pieces may still show through the filter, but it will give you an idea of what blonde hair might look like on you. You can do the same thing for the brunette filter. Search brown hair filter on TikTok. Find a video using that filter. Then tap brown hair to get to the effect page. Tap try this effect to test it out. I find the brown hair filter looks a little more realistic than the blonde one. There are also new red and black hair filters. Search for red hair filter and find a video using it. Tap red hair color. Then tap try this effect. Similar to the blonde filter, you can tap the screen to change the shade of red. In the same way, you can search for the black hair filter to find and try out the black hair effect. The last hairstyle filter I'd suggest trying out is the bangs filter. Search for bangs filter on TikTok and find a video where someone has used it. Tap bangs. Then tap try this effect. The bangs effect looks very realistic on people with dark hair, but unfortunately doesn't have any option to change the color of the bangs, so on blondes they look pretty crazy. It does still allow you to get an idea of what bangs might look like on your face shape though. That's all it takes to try out new hairstyles using TikTok filters. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.